Welcome to the BCTA Learning Management System. In this tutorial, we will guide you through all the essential steps to navigate and use your LMS efficiently. Let's get started. Open your web browser and type lms.bcta.vic.edu.au in the search bar. The LMS portal will open. Alternatively, you can visit our official website at bcta.vic.edu.au and click on Student Login to access the LMS portal. Log in with your username and password and click Login to access your dashboard. After logging in successfully, we recommend that you change your password for security reasons. Please click on the top right corner and select Preferences. From there, you will see the Change Password option. You can update your password by following the instructions provided in that section. Now you can see your dashboard. Here, you'll find all the courses you've enrolled in, along with other activities. Now, let's explore your units. Click on any unit to view its overview, assessments, and learning materials. Please note, before the training begins, you won't be able to attempt any assessments as they will be locked. However, you can access the unit overview and learning materials. Once the training begins, the assessment section will be unlocked and accessible. Refer to your timetable for the training start date. You'll notice that all assessment sections are locked initially. Before you can start, you'll need to complete the student declaration. Once completed, the sections will be unlocked, and you can start working on your assessments. Once your student declaration is completed, any assessments that were previously locked will be unlocked. To proceed to the next assessment, you can either click on Next Activity at the bottom of the page, or go to your dashboard, open the course, and you will see that the remaining assessments have been unlocked. Once you reach the next assessment after the student declaration, you will need to click on the Attempt button to start the assessment. Once you've completed an assessment, press the Finish Attempt button. A prompt will appear asking you to submit all and finish. Click this button and your assessment will be successfully submitted. After submission, you'll see the assessment summary and status. The task will be marked as not yet graded until your trainer evaluates it. Once graded, your grade will appear. On the right-hand side, you will see a blue button. Click on this button to open the drawer. Inside the drawer, you will see different color indicators that show your assessment status. Green, you have achieved a passing grade after marking. Red, you have failed the assessment. Yellow, you have submitted the assessment, but it has not yet been marked. Blue, your assessment has not been submitted. You can check your overall course completion report at any time. To do this, go to the top right corner and click on your name initials icon. Then press Grades, and you'll be able to see your course completion report. This will provide an overview of your progress. If you fail to submit your assessment on time, you can request an extension. To do this, go to the unit where you need the extension. On the right side, click the small blue icon. The drawer will open, and you'll see the Request for Extension email button. Click it, and the email template will automatically include any incomplete tasks. Just provide a valid reason for the extension, attach any supporting documents, and send it to us. Same process for reattempts. If you have failed any assessment task and the due date has passed, you need to follow the same process and request an extension. When you come to the dashboard, on the right side, you'll see a small blue arrow icon. Click on it and the drawer will open. In this section, you'll find Student Support. BCTA offers online support for our students, including additional help with training. Our tutors are available from Monday to Friday to assist you. That's it! You're now ready to use the BCTA Learning Management System. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Good luck with your learning journey!